Well, that's correct. I'm standing here in Sialkot city, just outside the house of the two unfortunate victims of this very, very brutal act that has been seen in Sialkot in the recent days. Now, these two young teenagers, Mughis, who was 17-year-old, and Munib, who was 15-year-old student of class 9, allegedly the family of the victims say that they went to this village Buttar because there was a cricket ground very nearby the village to play cricket, and the people who were of that village had a prior animosity with these two youngsters, and the ensuing scuffle between these two parties, the students as well as the villagers, resulted in a mob lynching and eventually murdering these two youngsters here in Sialkot. Now, in the morning, while we were at the Rescue 1122 office, which is exactly where this particular incident, this particular crime took place, the villagers of village Buttar came out on the street. They were protesting, and eventually when we tried to report from that particular scene, we tried to present the actual footage as well as the viewpoints of the villagers themselves. They started to harangue us, they manhandled us, they beat us up even. So it was very difficult to report from that particular situation. However, the situation changed dramatically once the DIG of Gujranwala, Mr. Zulfikar Cheema, reached the spot and later placated and talked to one of the alleged widows of the victims in this particular crime. Now, the widow, it is very interesting to note that the widow alleged that she initially said that she had no brothers, no family to support her, and since she was now a widow, she was unsure of her future. But very soon, just a few minutes after that, she related to Mr. Zulfikar Cheema that her brothers were being arrested by the police in the operation which is ensuing because of the Supreme Court suo motu notice. So very mixed signals coming from at least the village Buttar camp. As far as this particular house is concerned, they are in a state of absolute mourning. It is absolutely intolerable what has happened to these two youngsters, regardless of the fact whether they were or not dacoits. The case is ongoing because of suo motu notice. It is ongoing in both the Lahore High Court and the Supreme Court. So it all depends on what verdict comes from those two courts. But we're going to bring you as many details as we can as and when they happen.